Hello YouTube! Welcome to the last project video in this year. I hope you had a nice Christmas Eve. Gilles, my cameraman, and we spent it at home with our families. Today's topic is recycle your Christmas tree. I show you how to craft such a cool lantern. The only thing you need for this project is the tip of a conifer. Don't worry, you don't have to climb up. Just take the tip of your Christmas tree. This is a nice way to recycle your Christmas tree. First step is to cut through the tip under the first fork, here. Second step is to cut through the tip 4 centimeters above the first fork. You can remove the needles or leave it, it's up to you. Split the branch in the middle 2 times until this cross section that you get 4 parts. Now cut away 2 small sticks from the branch. Hoppla. Spread the middle part and place the small stick in. Same in the other direction. So this is the holder. This is the candle holder. Now join the side branches together that you get a form like a drop. Something like this. This is the cage for the candle. My problem is that one side branch, this one, is a bit short. So I can only place a very short candle in it. Otherwise it will be too hot here. If you are satisfied with the form, you can bind together the branches with a piece of cord. Adjust the shape of your drop a little bit, and if you are happy with the shape, you can cut away the rest over the binding. At this point, you have to craft the wind protection. Ideally, you have such a transparent plastic bag, or you can even take a dog sheet bag. These dog sheet stations we have all over in Switzerland. Or you can also take this transparent kitchen foil where you can wrap around a sandwich. For fix these overlappings, I need this tape from my first aid kit. Batteries, a transparent one, but I don't have. Here. At this point, I wrap down the back a little bit so that the candle has enough oxygen for burning. Before I give tension with such an overlap, and before I fix it, I put in the candle and light it on. Now I put in the candle. Light it on. Give a little bit tension and fix the back with another piece of tape. And now your lantern is done. Cool, isn't it? Woo! Some years ago, Gilles and I made a little series with 8 videos about how to recycle your Christmas tree. You find these videos in this playlist. We crafted a water wheel, a comb, a whisk, a star, a fork, a spinning top, a mountain goat, and a sword. All these videos you can find in this playlist. So that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and Gilles and me wish you a happy new year. Ciao!